All right, welcome. I want to introduce you to some forms of linear equations in this series of videos. So this is the introductory video on forms of linear equations. Welcome. There are several ways to write the equation of a line. Linear equations are equations for lines. So we'll talk about the slope intercept form. We will talk about the point slope form. And we will talk about the standard form. All right, so slope-intercept form, like the name implies, gives you the slope of the line and the y-intercept of the line, that is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so if we have a grid, Cartesian coordinate plane, where our x-axis is horizontal, our y-axis is vertical, the origin, of course, is 0, 0. Every point in this space can be labeled x comma y, so any point in general can be given the coordinates x comma y, like this. Now, if we had a line, and we knew that our line went through this point on the y-axis, and that point was 0, 1. Its x-coordinate is 0 because it's on the y-axis. It's not positive, it's not negative. And we're saying that it is 1 unit up from the x-axis. Okay? And we go through that point at a slope of, we'll say that this line has a slope, we'll call the slope m. That's a convention in mathematics. This is a constant and it refers to the slope of a line. So the slope of that line is going to be 1/2. Slope, of course, to remind you, slope is defined as change in y divided by change in x. Okay, so this slope means that every unit we go up 1, we're going to go over 2 units to the right. Okay, so we would know we have a point at y-coordinate of 2, x-coordinate of 2, like so. Okay, so this is enough information to give ourselves an equation for the line in slope-intercept form. All we need is the slope, which we have, and the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, which we have, that's 1. So, in general, the slope-intercept form is this. Y, the variable y, equals slope times x, excuse me, we got big parentheses, slope times x plus the y-coordinate of our y-intercept, b. So we'll write that down here. B is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. Okay, so that's at point 0, comma, b in general. So this line we have graphed right here would have the equation y equals, the slope is 1/2 times x, plus b, which is our y-coordinate, that's right here, of 1. So this equation, y equals 1/2 x plus 1, is the equation for the line that passes through this point, 0, 1, and has a slope of 1/2. We can confirm that there is indeed a point at 2, 2 by plugging in 2 and 2 for our y and our x coordinate. Let's do that. So it should be 2 equals 1/2 times 2 plus 1. Well, 1/2 times 2 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2, so that confirms that yes, indeed, this equation does give us the line that goes through these 2 points. And of course, we know in geometry that if you have 2 points, there is only one point that passes through these 2 points. So there is not going to be a different equation in slope-intercept form that goes through those 2 points. That's it. And we'll pick up from there on point slope in the next video.